Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, stocks pull out another big win ahead of tomorrow's big number. Stocks are up on the jobs report, the regular weekly jobs report that came out this morning. It was just slightly better than expectations, which is the best situation for the markets. Any big surprises, really, in either direction could bring this market down, because either it could indicate that the economy is too hot, more rate cuts are coming, inflation's going to be too hot, or it could indicate that the job market is too cold and that the economy is doing poorly and we could hit that hard landing. So Goldilocks is what we're looking for. Now, another reason why the market was up today was some of the AI advances that were announced by Google, which I think it was this morning. And they have apparently, what they announced they have is a fairly strong competing product to Microsoft as far as AI goes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the future. And that is something that we cannot ignore as investors. So we look at it and we look for more opportunities to get in on that. We'll have ebbs and peaks and troughs, ebbs and flows over the next few years with that. But that is definitely one of the major mega trends to look for. That said, we're also going to be looking for the jobs report tomorrow morning. That's the big one. And that will set the tone going in to next week's Fed announcement. Oh, not next week's Fed announcement. The Fed announcement on December 13th. Oh, my goodness. That is next week. Holy cow, where is this year going? Anyway, hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.